Well, good afternoon. We continue to get in photos and video of the storms that rolled through yesterday. This is video from Island Lake. You can see from their view, this is in the Langby area, the wind and rain incredibly pushing on the boat cover or the lift cover there. And then also you can see that the flag is just hanging on for dear life in this shot as the storm is blasting through. And you can see that lifting just a little bit there too. And we did have some boat lift damage going on in the Pelican Lake area in Lakes Country. So again, this is one of the examples of the intensity of some of the storms that moved through yesterday. Now we do have a chance for storms today. It's not as likely, and I'm hoping we keep the intensity down on them, but there is a risk for some severe that we may see most likely in our eastern viewing area. So that's in this deeper green area from Baudette down through Bemidji, Park Rapids down toward Wadena. That's the area of focus, maybe a little west of there too. And then you can see more areas in that marginal or level 1 out of 5 risk. And that means one or two of these storms that develop this afternoon and evening could ramp up to severe levels. We're talking hail and damaging wind gusts being a possibility, in addition to the heavy rain that, of course, we saw that yesterday. We may see that again today in some of these storms. And then elsewhere in that lighter green category, not necessarily expecting severe as likely, but still a chance for some rain and an isolated storm. So here's what's going on out there right now. Not a lot. It's pretty quiet. We've got some sunshine in most areas. Lakes Country, a few more clouds that are hanging around. Seeing just a little fleck of green or two north of Roseau, but that's it. That's not impactful right now. But we're keeping an eye out for those initial signs of some development this afternoon. Wind speeds are less than 10 miles per hour. We've got calm reports coming in for some areas. If we do have some wind, it is out of the south in general. And temperatures are getting into the 80s. We're at 82 degrees already in Fargo, 84 in Grand Forks. We've got that humidity level still out there as well, making it feel muggier for us here today. And we'll see those temperatures soar as that day progresses here into the afternoon. So here's a look at what we may see. So getting into the 3 o'clock hour, more places warming into the 80s, and that potential for seeing that 90-degree temperature is possible, mostly in the south, but I can't rule it out elsewhere as well. So again, a warm, hot day and a muggy day, regardless of whether we see rain or not. Again, it's another situation where some of us get the downpour and then a lot of places miss out. So this is one particular model run of what may happen here. Our models have been not handling placement of thunderstorms very well, and timing too has been a little bit difficult with these latest rounds, but you can see that the possibility is there anywhere in the valley. The greatest threat again appears to be to the east. So Weefesters, if you're heading out there for tonight, if you've got some campers that are already out there, make sure they know and you know to pay attention to what's going on with the weather. Via a weather app, you can set it to follow you right at Sioux Pass Ranch, so you can get those alerts if anything does end up popping up here. You can see around 9:30 there's a thunderstorm in the vicinity of that area. Now, continuing on into tonight, this eventually does wind down and the overnight hours will be quieter for us into the day on Thursday. To start off a quiet morning, still pretty warm though. We're looking at another hot day ahead of us for Thursday as well. So next couple of days, 80s to some low 90s. By Friday, we're kind of stepping back our temperatures a bit. We'll also see a chance for some rain Friday and into the weekend. Question mark is there's a low pressure system that looks like it may be moving in. How far north it goes will have an impact on how much rain we'll see. So as that gets closer, we'll get into more detail on that, but the potential is there.
All right. Yeah, not looking forward to that humidity there.
No, that's the hard part, I think, for everybody. I know we want rain, you know, but then there are some folks who want to be able to get out and enjoy the weather, but I don't think any of us want that humidity right now.
No, not at all. All right. Thank you so much.